Last spring, Frank, 72 years old, a retired diesel mechanic, did something his kids thought was crazy. He sold a cramped little house outside Columbus, Ohio for $172,000, and he moved to a state most people couldn't find on a map if you spotted them the first three letters, Arkansas. His daughter asked him why. Frank just smiled and said, "Because down there, they let me keep what's mine." 3 weeks later, Frank owned a 2-bedroom brick home, a workshop out back, a creek at the edge of the yard. The price? $139,000, cash. And here's what his daughter didn't understand. In Arkansas, the state takes nothing out of Frank's Social Security, not a dollar. And it ranks as the single most affordable state in the entire country to retire in. Frank isn't lucky, he isn't unusual. Right now, thousands of retirees are quietly figuring out exactly what he did. This is Housing Decoded. I track where America's smart retirees are quietly moving. Today, we're going to Arkansas. So what does Frank know that his neighbors back in Ohio don't? 2 things. First, Arkansas leaves his Social Security completely alone, and it gives him a break on the rest of his retirement income too. We'll see what that's worth, town by town. Second, the homes. Brick houses, workshops, lake views. For $130,000, $160,000, $200,000. Bought in cash from the sale of a smaller place up north. U.S. News just named Arkansas the #1 most affordable state in America to retire. I found 10 towns that prove it. Let's start where Frank landed. City 1, Hope. Hope, Arkansas. Down in the southwest corner of the state, yes, that Hope, the one that produced a president. This is where Frank found his brick house and his workshop, and he's not alone here. The typical home in Hope runs right around $148,000. Think about that. A retiree selling a small place up north can buy here outright and still have a cushion left in the bank. And remember that Social Security check the state never touches? In Hope, a retiree on $1,800 a month isn't getting by. They're comfortable. There's a lake, a city park, and the famous watermelon festival every summer. And here's the math that brings people like Frank here. Sell a modest northern home for $170,000. Buy in Hope for $148,000. You've got over $20,000 sitting in the bank before you've unpacked a single box, and no state income tax chipping away at the check that funds your days. Quiet, friendly, and cheap enough to feel almost unfair. That's Hope. City 2, Malvern. About 100 miles north, just 20 minutes from Hot Springs, sits Malvern. Malvern gives you something rare, a small town of 11,000 with big city convenience right next door. The median home here runs around $135,000. That's the kind of number that lets a couple sell a $250,000 house up north and walk away with over $100,000 still in the bank. And here's where the Arkansas tax math starts to work in your favor. Lake Catherine State Park is right up the road for fishing and boating, and the state never touches your retirement check to pay for any of it. Malvern is the definition of getting more while spending less. City 3, Mammoth Spring. Up near the Missouri border, you'll find Mammoth Spring, a tiny, quiet community built around one of the largest natural springs in the country. Home prices here hover around $160,000, and crime is notably low, the kind of place a 70-year-old can walk at dusk without a second thought. This is small-town America at its most peaceful. A state park, walking trails, scenery that costs you nothing to enjoy. The spring itself pushes out 9 million gallons of water an hour, feeding a crystal-clear lake right in the middle of town. Retirees here spend their mornings walking the shoreline and their afternoons on a porch, not in a waiting room, and not poring over a tax bill. And that's really the theme here. In a state that doesn't tax your Social Security or your pension, every dollar you don't lose to the state is a dollar that's actually yours. City 4, Russellville. Move into the center of the state, and you reach Russellville, set along the Arkansas River. The median home here runs around $210,000, a step up from our cheapest towns. But look at what comes with it. St. Mary's Regional Health System is right in town, so good healthcare is close. And Arkansas Tech University offers tuition-free classes to older adults. Picture this, a retiree pulling $40,000 a year from a pension and an IRA. In Arkansas, the state takes almost nothing. In Ohio or Illinois, that same retiree would lose $1,000+ a year, every single year. In Russellville, that money goes toward a boat on Lake Dardanelle instead. City 5, Harrison. Up in the Ozark Mountains sits Harrison, postcard pretty and consistently ranked among the best small towns in the country. Median home values run around $227,000, and the overall cost of living is a remarkable 22% below the national average. Read that again, 22%. About 13,000 people, a real courthouse square, mountain scenery in every direction. Harrison combines genuine affordability with the kind of small-town warmth that makes newcomers feel at home in a week. The mountains aren't free anywhere else in America at these prices. Here, they nearly are. City 6, Heber Springs. A little southeast on the shores of Greer's Ferry Lake is Heber Springs. This one's for the retirees who want the grandkids to actually visit. Sandy beach on the lake, Collins Creek Cascade for an easy scenic walk, even a toy train museum. Nearly 30% of the population here is already over 60. The median home runs around $237,000, and the same rule holds: no state tax reaching into your Social Security, your pension, or your retirement accounts. Heber Springs is proof that affordable doesn't have to mean boring. It can mean a lake, a beach, and a porch. City 7, Batesville. On the banks of the White River sits Batesville, one of Arkansas's oldest towns, with a historic downtown on the National Register. Median listing prices here run around $229,000, comfortably below the state's larger markets. Stone County Medical Center is nearby, and groceries, libraries, and everyday essentials are all within easy reach. Batesville has a little more life to it too. Lyon College keeps a steady stream of events and culture flowing. For a retiree who wants quiet, but not isolation, that balance matters. And every season you spend here, the state of Arkansas asks nothing of your retirement income to enjoy it. City 8, Mena. Out west, tucked in the Ouachita Mountains near the Oklahoma line, is Mena. Mena offers a small-town pace at a genuinely reasonable price, a median home listing around $244,000, mountain air, and the scenic Talamina Drive right outside of town. That drive alone draws visitors from 3 states every fall when the Ouachita ridges turn gold and red. For the people who live here, it's just the road home. Healthcare is covered close by, and the cost of everyday living stays comfortably below what a retiree would pay almost anywhere up north. By now you can see the formula every one of these towns follows. A house you can actually afford, nature out the window, and a state that doesn't reach into your retirement check. Mena just does it with a mountain view. City 9, Jonesboro. Up in the northeast corner of the state sits Jonesboro, the largest town on our list and the most full service. The median home here runs around $215,000. What you're buying is convenience. Jonesboro is a regional hub. It has a major medical center, real shopping, and Arkansas State University bringing culture and events to town all year. For a retiree who wants small-town prices but city-level healthcare and amenities, Jonesboro hits the mark. And the Arkansas advantage follows you here exactly as everywhere else. Your Social Security untouched, your other retirement income given a break, your savings stretching further than you'd believe. City 10, Hot Springs. And finally, the crown jewel, Hot Springs. Imagine retiring inside a national park. That's not a fantasy here. Hot Springs sits right alongside Hot Springs National Park. Thermal baths, historic bathhouse row, and miles of trails, all at your doorstep. And the part that stuns people? Median home prices fall below $180,000, a resort town lifestyle without resort town prices. Arkansas exempts your Social Security entirely. It gives you a deduction on the rest. and it lands you a home near a national park for less than a starter condo costs in Florida. That's Hot Springs. That's the whole list. So there it is, 10 Arkansas towns, from Malvern at $135,000 to Hot Springs near a national park under $180,000. And every single one of them sits in the most affordable state in America, where the government takes almost nothing out of your retirement income. That's how Frank turned a cramped $172,000 house in Ohio into a paid-off home, a workshop, a creek out back, and money still in the bank. If this helped you picture your own next move, hit subscribe. New retirement guides every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And next time, we're heading up into the hills of West Virginia, where I found towns with real homes still selling for around $130,000. Wait until you see them. I'm Housing Decoded. I'll see you down the road.